At Abrantie College, learning goes beyond the classroom and comes to life at the market. Today, the students from the catering department are on a mission to learn how to choose the best fresh ingredient, guided by their supervisor. Colors, smells, textures. Every stall is a lesson, and every choice matters in creating delicious professional dishes. Here, we train culinary experts from the ground up, the right product at the right price at the right time. Abrantie College is more than a school. It's an experience that prepares you for real life and the real taste of the profession.